Shirota from KO Media Design in Japan. Today, I will talk about design of altered cognition with reshaped bodies. Including STROAC, there are many research projects in human augmentation field that aim to design wearable robotics or wearable devices that can be attached on the normal human body, such as the third arm or the third thumb. Similarly, there are also a number of perceptual enhancement projects, including tactile and auditory enhancement devices. Furthermore, in the field of the cognitive science, Andy Clark states that we have been designed to take advantage of the plasticity of our brains, which allow us to integrate with external tools. Therefore, humans are called as natural-born cyborgs. Aligning with Andy's idea, the present human augmentation researchers have tried to integrate external system into human body to create a new kind of augmented human. However, how does this augmented human recognize the world? As opposed to the previous research, we propose a new concept of reshaping the body itself rather than adding external tools to extend our abilities. In addition, we observed how the world is recognized by the changing body. Why reshaping? By reshaping the body, it may be possible to distort the reality of the real space and create a new reality that has never been encountered before. We suggested that body deformation alone may lead to body expansion and cognitive changes. In addition, we thought that the idea of maximizing the natural human abilities could be adapted as a new method to develop a human augmentation system. With this idea, we propose a design method that changes the body schema by reshaping the body, thereby changing cognition. First, we will give an example of what reshaping the body means and how the cognition can be changed with that. First, if you pull your nose, your sense of smell may become sharper and wider. Opening and closing your ears may change the way you hear sound. Spreading your hair may increase your spatial cognition of your head. This type of change in cognition can possibly be achieved by altering various body parts. In this paper, we focus on the nose and ears and conducted experiments. First, we will examine the nose. We hypothesize that by extending the nose, the cognition of odor position will change. This is the altered nose system that provides sensation of the nose being extended. During the user test, the system provided a sense of nose extension by pulling the nose and played an image of the extended nose in the head-mounted display. We conducted two experiments. First, in the experiment of passive nose lengths, we present a total of 8 patterns, which are a combination of 3 conditions: visual, pulling, and vibrotactile stimulation to verify the feeling of the nose extending. As a result, it was found that visual pull and pull were effective to create sense of nose being extended. When users were presented with both visual and pull sensation, they can feel the effect of the nose extension the most. In addition, users can feel the nose extended better with the pulling sensation compared to normal nose. Next is the experiment of distance cognition of the odor source. The results showed no significant difference in this distance recognition in all conditions. But when pulling the nose, it can be inferred that the variance of distance recognition with respect to the odor source is narrower than other conditions. To summarize, these experiments showed that the sensation of nose extending can be realized by body reshaping, and the extended nose itself led to cognitive changes. Then let's move on to the ears. We hypothesized that by opening and closing the ears, the recognized sound field would change. This is altered pinup system, opening and closing the ear by pushing and pulling the ear with the movement of the actuator. We did two pinup experiments. First, in the experiments of passive pinup position, we found that we could perceive the ears changing in 3 positions with high accuracy. Then, in the experiment of sound direction, 7 speakers were placed in front of the participant and sound was projected randomly 1 by 1. We tried a total of 9 patterns of opening and closing of ear. The figure on the left is where the speaker is installed. On the right is the cognition of the sound source as heard by normal ears. For example, when the left ear was set 0% open and the right ear was set to 50% open, we found the sound field changed as shown on the screen. From this experiment, we found that humans can perceive change in the position of the ear, and when the ear is open and closed, the recognized sound field changes. The conclusion. So, by pulling the nose, we confirm that humans can perceive sensation of the nose extending, and also our human's recognition of distance of the odor can be changed. Moreover, by opening or closing the pinna, the recognition of the sound position can also be changed. We envision to create a new approach to achieve natural-born cyborgs. Hence, we propose new method of human augmentation, which is body reshaping. And through this body reshaping, we can change our cognition. Thank you very much. That's all.